Hello guys, welcome to today's class. So we're given a question on polynomial division and we're asked to divide x2 plus 3x. Hello and welcome to today's class. So we'll solve this example. It says still on polynomial division. It says x squared plus 3x minus 2 divided by what? X minus what? 2. So remember the first step is to do what? Divide x squared by x, as you use this to divide this. So when you do that, you simply have x times x over x. You cancel out x and you will be left with what? X. Then you write it above. So now you have x here when you divide x squared by x. So next up, you use this x now to multiply this as everything here. After that, you write your answer here. So let's do that. We have x into what? X minus 2. So this x now is multiplying everything to give us what? X times what? X minus x times 2. Remember, when we are in our previous video, when we talked about multiplying the same base, you simply what? Add their powers, and the power here is power 1, power 1. So it's now be x raised to power 1 plus 1 minus x times 2 is what? 2x. So x raised to power 1 plus 1 will simply give us x squared minus what? 2x. So this is what we'll get when we multiply x by what? X minus 2. So you write it here. So your answer is x squared minus 2x. You write it here, x squared minus what? 2x. You can put it in a bracket because you're subtracting from this now. So when you subtract, the remaining value you continue dividing until there's no more x left. So now we have this minus this. So if we do that, we have x squared plus what? 3x minus 2 minus x squared minus what? 2x. So if we open the bracket, we have what? X squared plus 3x minus 2 minus here times plus will give us what? Minus. So we have minus x squared minus times minus. You know that, let me write it here. Minus times minus equals to plus. Minus times plus equals to what? Minus. Plus times plus equals to what? Plus. And plus times minus equals to what? Minus. So minus times plus give us minus x square. Then minus times minus give us what? Plus what? 2x. So you arrange it, you have x square, this is this, minus 2 minus x square, which is this, then plus 3x, which is this, plus 2x, which is this, then minus 2, which is this. So minus x times minus x will cancel out. So we're left with plus 3x plus 2x minus 2. So you have 3 naira and you have extra 2 naira. If you add them together, you have a total of what? 5x minus 2. So this will be your answer when you subtract this. So you write it here, 5 what? X minus 2. So the next step is to use this 5x to divide x. Your answer, you write it here. So let's do that. We have 5x divided by x, which will give us what? 5, because x will cancel out to give us what? 5. So we did 5x divided by x to get what? To get 5. So now we use this 5 to multiply everything. We use this 5 to multiply everything here again. You see how the process is repeating. So when you do that, you have 5 times what? X what? Minus 2, which will give us 5 times x minus what? 5 times 2. 5 times x will give us 5x minus 5 times 2 will give us 10. So this will be our answer when we multiply 5. Sorry, when we multiply what? 5 times x minus 2. So write it here. 5x minus what? 10. Next up, what? Subtract again. You can still put them in a bracket because this negative sign is affecting both terms here. So let's do that. We'll have what? 5x minus 2 minus everything in the bracket, 5x minus 10. So the first step is to open bracket. So you have 5x minus 2 minus times plus. There's a plus here, which is here. Minus times plus will give us minus. So minus 5x minus times minus, which is here, will give us what? Plus. So we have what? Plus what? 10. So when we collect like terms, we have 5x minus 5x, which is this minus 5x. Then we'll take this plus 10, then take the final one minus 2. So 5x minus 5x will cancel out, give us 0. Then plus 10 minus 2 will give us what? Plus what? 8. So we'll write it here, 8. So notice that this 8 doesn't have any x attached to it, so you cannot divide by the divisor, which is this. So we have arrived at our final what? Destination. So next now, therefore x squared plus 3x minus 2 over what? X minus 2 will give us what? X plus 5 plus 8 over what? X minus 2. Very simple, right? So we'll be solving more examples in our next class. So thank you for staying to the end. If you enjoyed this video, please kindly drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe in case you've not subscribed to this channel, and share this video to your friends, your families, and anyone struggling with maths. Thank you, and God bless.